Ever thought of hitting the open road in a vehicle that's as rugged and ready for action as you are? Well, get ready to be blown away, because we've rounded up the coolest expedition vehicles on the planet. These are not just your ordinary rides. They're the ultimate machines designed to conquer the toughest terrains and take you on unforgettable journeys. So, sit back and enjoy. Next up, this Unimog Explorer 420 is an off-road expedition vehicle built by Globe Camper on a Mercedes-Benz Unimog 420 chassis. And as we've said before, Unimog is a heavy-duty, all-terrain vehicle known for its exceptional off-road capabilities and durability, and no exception with this one as well. Moreover, it's a high-end, custom-built expedition vehicle that can be tailored to the customer's requirements, whether for a long-term adventure, a family trip, or a research purpose. Furthermore, as an off-road expedition vehicle, it has ample storage space to accommodate all the necessary gear and equipment for extended trips. Finally, top-of-the-line finishes and features like a generator, solar panels, and air conditioning make it able to function independently and be used in remote areas. Experience the extraordinary with the Kaarug Expedition XXL. It's an off-roader's dream come to life, with its unmatched performance off the pavement and built on the durable Mercedes-Benz Arocs chassis. This expedition truck is equipped with plenty of storage space, including a bed locker and large cabinet, plus it can carry motorbikes. The cab-to-cabin entry gives easy access from the front seat or cargo area, and the interior looks blissful. Interestingly, the entire interior is arranged in a very comfortable way so that you feel at home during an expedition. The Perky Mog is a modern off-road ready adventure vehicle from Global Expedition Vehicles that is perfect for extreme explorations. Featuring a Mercedes-Benz Unimog chassis, upgraded suspension with rugged shock absorbers, and off-road wheels and tires on the front and rear end, the Perky Mog is able to travel over any terrain with ease. In addition to its unrivaled performance off the pavement, the Perky Mog also comes equipped with an extendable top and spacious living space, making it suitable for family trips or explorations with a bigger group. The Uniden Discovery X is the ultimate adventure truck, available on a Mercedes-Benz Zetros chassis. This extreme expedition truck comes equipped with all the creature comforts to keep you comfortable while you explore and experience nature firsthand. Discovery X is a window into the world, letting explorers venture anywhere from desert to rainforest and everywhere in between. With a robust OM 457 engine and enough space for a group, it can move everyone to any location in the world and back. Lastly, with a spacious living quarter with all the modern amenities, this one becomes one of the most popular expedition trucks for the toughest terrain. Burlak Expedition 6x6 is a Russian-made off-road vehicle that is specifically designed for extreme expedition use. This behemoth is built on a 6-wheel drive chassis and is powered by a diesel engine. It features a spacious and comfortable interior that can accommodate all of your group members and a large amount of storage space for equipment and supplies. In addition, the vehicle's exterior is armored to protect against harsh terrain and extreme weather conditions. The Burlak Expedition 6x6 also comes with a range of off-road features, such as high ground clearance, a winch, and gigantic off-road tires, and is designed to tackle some of the toughest terrains in the world like deserts, mountains, and frozen tundra. This vehicle is mainly used for expedition and research purposes. The Atlas ATV is a next-gen, rugged, versatile off-road vehicle that handles the most challenging terrain. It is built on a heavy-duty frame, featuring a powerful diesel engine and advanced suspension system, allowing it to easily navigate through mud, sand, and rocks. But that doesn't mean it's limited to those, as this all-terrain vehicle proficiently floats on water to make any destination reachable. It is also equipped with a state-of-the-art GPS navigation system and other advanced features that make it ideal for long-distance expeditions and remote exploration. Sleipnir Tatra is a large, heavy-duty bus built on a Tatra 8x8 chassis and designed explicitly for long-distance expeditions and off-road travel. The name, Sleipnir, came from the eight-legged horse from Norse mythology. And thanks to its 8 enormous off-road wheels, tires, and suspension system, this bus can rove over the most unreachable places around the world. Enough seats are included for larger groups, and Sleipnir's bus service is currently ongoing for anyone to have unforgettable experiences. The Sherp is a unique, amphibious expedition vehicle that is designed to handle the most challenging terrain. This one is driven by a Kubota diesel engine, has a high-quality steel frame, and its advanced suspension system enables it to quickly move through different types of terrains, such as mud, sand, and rocks. Sherp also has large, low-pressure tires that allow it to float on water and cross shallow rivers and swamps. However, one of the most notable features of the Sherp is its ability to climb obstacles that would be impossible for other vehicles to conquer, such as steep inclines, rocky terrain, and deep snow. Overall, the Sherp is a rugged, versatile, and capable expedition vehicle that is designed to handle the most demanding terrain and make it accessible for people. Meet the Junta Overcomer, a unique and rugged off-road vehicle that is built to handle extreme expeditions. With a powerful diesel engine, it has enough ground clearance and a tire inflation system, which allows it to navigate through rough terrain with ease. The vehicle also comes with a front winch, hydraulic steering, and a stereo system, making it comfortable for extended trips in remote locations. But most interestingly, it can float and drive on water, which makes it a versatile vehicle that can traverse different types of terrains and make it accessible for people to explore remote areas. Ready for the ultimate adventure? Inca's Hudson has got you covered. With BR6 armor-level protection and a 4x4 drivetrain, you'll be fearless when conquering any environment, while its custom-tuned suspension helps it keep up with the best in off-road adventures. And with a 4.5 L diesel V8 engine producing 151 horsepower, you can go anywhere without even breaking a sweat. With its low-slung design and versatile interior space, this SUV is comfortable enough for day trips, but also capable of longer journeys. Ready for the ultimate adventure? It's time to go off-road with the Avtoros Shaman. Conquer any terrain with ease, no matter what Mother Nature throws at you. This expedition vehicle is packed with features like all-wheel drive, heavy-duty suspension, and a powerful engine to take you where no one has gone before. Avtoros Shaman is an 8x8 all-terrain expedition vehicle that is designed for extreme off-road use. And built with a unique body shape, it has a low center of gravity that allows you to climb over whatever stands between you and your destination. Standing out from its competitors with various cargo options, this rugged beast is ready for any challenge or obstacle that lies in its path. Finally, and most interestingly, this one is an amphibian, which means explorers won't be limited to the ground anymore. XRV Adventures 612 is another perfect one for smaller groups to explore the unknown. Built on the Iveco Eurocargo 4x4 chassis, this one features a 6-cylinder, 6.7-liter engine and has differential locks on both axles to provide maximum traction in all conditions. The fuel tank capacity is 200 liters of diesel, providing ample range for long journeys. XRV Adventures 612 offers a variety of interior layout options and designs, with a focus on comfort and functionality. It features a double bed with suspension, ventilation, heating, and a comfortable mattress, providing a comfortable place to rest after a long day of exploring. The Korean countertop with integrated sink and single lever faucet make cooking and meal preparation easy, even in remote location. The Bumo Expedition vehicle is a top-of-the-line luxury vehicle for off-road travel and adventure. This vehicle is built on a Mercedes-Benz Actros 4x4 chassis and is equipped with advanced technology and features that make it the perfect choice for those looking to explore the most remote and rugged areas of the world in style and comfort. One of the most notable features of the Bumo Expedition vehicle is its breathable wall construction, while the wooden cabin of the Bumo reflects pure classiness and luxury. The vehicle also comes with an extendable terrace and electronic awning that offers a comfortable outdoor living space. This one also features a fully equipped kitchen and cooking area, complete with all the necessary appliances for preparing meals on the road. Furthermore, the fixed bed eliminates the need to assemble or dismantle the sleeping facility, and the differentiated lighting allows you to create the perfect ambience for any occasion. The Unicat X74 HD is a top-of-the-line expedition vehicle, built to handle the most challenging conditions and go where usual vehicles cannot. Built on a MAN TGS 26.50 6x6 chassis, this one is suitable for the most demanding off-road adventures with proper cruise control. It also has differential locks in front and rear axles, ensuring stability and control while driving on rugged terrains. This one packs Unicat's lifting roof with an electric drive mechanism, providing ample headroom and natural light. The U-shaped seating area is comfortable and spacious, and the double bed with suspension ensures a good night's sleep. The Korean countertop with integrated sink and Zug 2-zone induction cooker make meal preparation easier on the go. So whether you're planning a trip to the Arctic or the desert, the Unicat X74 HD has everything you need to make your journey a success. Wilderness Vans Grid is a rugged and versatile expedition vehicle that is perfect for those who want to explore the great outdoors in style and comfort. Built on a Ford F550 chassis, this vehicle is designed to handle the harshest conditions and go to the horizon. It boasts of raw varnished cabinet edges, solid surface countertops, and fabric finished walls, providing a rustic yet elegant look. The kitchen area is equipped with a sink with an electric water pump, a convection cooktop, and a fridge, allowing you to cook meals comfortably. The dinette comes with custom cushions and has a folding seatbed option, providing comfortable seating during the day and a place to sleep at night. And finally, its 400W solar charging system makes the vehicle self-sufficient and able to operate in remote areas. Crawler OTAG 600 is an extremely rugged and capable expedition vehicle that is built to handle the most challenging off-road conditions. This one's built on a MAN TGM 18.290 chassis, making it the perfect choice for those who want to explore the most remote and inhospitable places on Earth. Inside, this Crawler OTAG 600 features a 4-person adjustable dining table that provides a comfortable and spacious seating area for meals and gatherings. The home office area is pleasant and functional, providing a comfortable workspace. The L-shaped kitchen has double stoves and a faucet, providing all the necessary amenities for meal preparation. The large main bed section at the rear of the vehicle offers a comfortable and private sleeping area. And lastly, its Schmid solar panel 380 watt ensures that the vehicle has a constant power supply, even in remote areas. The Bliss Mobile 13-foot unit is a compact and versatile expedition vehicle to reach the trickiest places around the world. Built on a Mercedes-Benz Unimog chassis, this vehicle offers a variety of amenities and features that make it the perfect choice for those who want to embark on an adventure in the wild. As its name refers, the cabin of this truck is 13 feet long and features a spacious interior with a comfortable sleeping area, a fully equipped kitchen, and a bathroom. It also has solar panels and water tanks, making it self-sufficient and able to operate in remote areas. Finally, the Globe Camper Globe 360 is another compact option, designed for extreme off-road travel and adventures. The Iveco Daily 4x4 chassis serves as the foundation for this vehicle, packed with cutting-edge technology and features that make it an ideal option for those who want to experience the world in luxury and with ease. Globe 360 has a compact and versatile design, with a spacious interior that can be configured to suit various needs. It features a fully equipped kitchen with a refrigerator, stove, and sink, as well as a comfortable living area with a dinette and seating. Lastly, it is equipped with state-of-the-art technology, such as solar panels, a water filtration system, and an intelligent energy management system. So, that was our list of coolest expedition vehicles in the world. Thanks for watching.